In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoho Books to Zoho CRM. Integrating these two powerful tools can significantly streamline your business processes, making it easier to manage your finances alongside your customer relationships. Let's dive right into the steps. First, start by logging into your Zoho Books account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Settings option. Clicking on this will open a menu filled with all sorts of configurations and options that you can adjust based on your business needs. Next, in the Settings menu, you'll want to look for the Integration settings. You can do this by typing Integration into the search bar provided in the Settings area. This search will help you filter through the menu options quickly, bringing you directly to the Integration settings, which is precisely where we need to go for this process. Once you're in the Integration section, you'll see a list of various applications that can be linked with Zoho Books. Here, look for the option labeled Zoho Apps. Clicking on this will present you with a list of Zoho applications available for integration, including our target for today, Zoho CRM. Now, it's time to locate Zoho CRM in this list. When you find it, you should see an option to connect. Clicking Connect will initiate the integration process between Zoho Books and Zoho CRM. Depending on your setup, you might need to enter some additional details or authorize access to complete the connection. Once you have completed these steps, Zoho Books and Zoho CRM will be connected. This integration allows you to synchronize customer information, invoices, and other financial data seamlessly between the two platforms. It can help reduce data entry errors, save time, and provide a more cohesive view of your business operations. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Zoho Books to Zoho CRM. This connection is not only a powerful way to streamline your administrative tasks, but also an excellent strategy for enhancing your business efficiency. If you encounter any issues during the process, don't hesitate to consult Zoho's support resources for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials on optimizing your business tools. Until next time, happy integrating.